In this video, I'll show you how to install the best graphics mod for GTA 4 with settings that work on low, medium, and high-end PCs. Check my video description for this mod link. Select the download option. After download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Just close tab here. Right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Just copy the game folder and paste it in the same location. Rename this to backup. And once you take GTA 4 game folder backup, open the GTA 4 folder. And in WinRAR, you need to open depends on where PC RAM. Open the task manager using Ctrl Shift plus Escape key together and go to performance and go to memory. In my case, I have 32 GB RAM. In your case, your RAM will shown over here. Once you know if a RAM low-end PC is for 6 GB RAM, mid-range PC is for 8 GB RAM, and high-end PC spec for 16 GB RAM. In my case, I'm choosing this high-end PC. Once you choose the folder, just try and drop all these files inside of a game folder. Replace the file in the destination. Once this done, just close tab here and launch the game through the desktop shortcut. I will add before and after. You can easily compare with mod and without mod. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.